Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I'm here with the very amazing script of a new mining website. So basically this is a React based amazing mining website script and completely new in market viewers. In this video I'm going to give you the complete overview of this website and I will show you each and every feature of this website. Basically this is a HYIP investment mining website, so you can run it and you can also earn a lot of money through it. It is also with a referral system, so you can give users referral commissions as well, and it is a completely new design and has a very amazing look as well. So viewers, first of all you can look at its amazing home page. Before moving towards the video, I request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to buy this source code, or if you want to buy this complete website from us, you can contact us and buy this from us. And if you buy from us, you don't need to worry about anything. We will provide you complete support with it. So now let's start this video. First of all, you can look at its login page. Now here you can log into the website. If you don't have an account, you can create account by going to sign up now. And by filling these all details like username, email, phone number, password, confirm password, and refer code, you can create your own account like within minutes. So I already have an account. So here I will just log in with my existing details of my old account. So let me show you how we can log in. So to log in, just enter your username or email or password, and when you click on login, so you can see that we have successfully logged into this website. So this is a very amazing website and it has a very new and amazing look. And on the above on the top in search bar, you can see it is hosted on my subdomain as it is my demo. So I'm giving you the demo on my subdomain, so you can see it. And viewers, so it has a very amazing look. First of all, you can look at your avatar that will be assigned you automatically. Here you can see your ID, you can see your referral code that you can give to any user, so he can sign up with your refer as well, and you can earn money through referrals. Here you can see 2-day profit, and you can see total your balance, which is currently my $500 deposit. And here you can see total withdrawal, total profits. Here in PIE section, you can update your details if you want to. Here's a recharge section, so you can recharge using, like, here you can see the details like 20, 30, or you can type it. And here you can recharge using different methods. Currently there are 3 methods, so if you want to insert any method, you can insert that from admin panel. So it's a simple thing, and we will guide you about it as well. So be with us and I'll show you how you can create payment methods from admin panel in this video. So here click on next step. Here you can see there is an address or your details of the payment gateway, so you can copy the address. Here you can enter your transaction ID. After paying on that address, click on deposit now, and your deposit request will be sent, and you can track your deposits over here. So when admin will approve this deposit, so it will come in admin success deposit, and the amount will be added to your account. So this is how user can easily deposit money to his account. Here is a cash out, like withdraw section. So first of all, we must have to set up our wallet, and then we can take our withdraw. So it is asking us to enter your setup wallet, and then you can take withdraw from the website. So it is asking set up wallet first, so we have to enter our wallet details first. I'll show you how we can do that. So here you can see all the records of payments on your website, or your transaction or interest or profit records. You can track them. Here you can see your team, so you can see all your team members and their investments, total team size, their total withdrawals, recharges. You can view it over here, level 1, level 2, level 3. So it's a very amazing and simple website. Here you can track all your commissions. Here you can see all your running investments. Here is an app option, so here you can see the amazing look of the app. So viewers, from here user can click on install now and install the app of your website. So you can see how amazing look it's like a Play Store look. So user can install your app as well and use this website in a mobile app. So here you can similarly recharge. Here you can track all your mining scores, and here is the plan section. So robot 1, robot 2, and you can change the names as well from admin panel. So suppose if I want to invest money in any of the plans, so suppose there's $100 plan, I want to invest money, so click on this, and here you can see purchase successful, and we have successfully invested in plan. So you can see our energy time, and it will show you all your mining details, and from here you can collect your daily profits. So here click on collect, and you can collect your daily profit. Here you can see it over here, and in each plan you can see the profit according to plan. So here you can see in this plan there is a validity for 10 days and daily profit is $10. So similarly you can make these plans from admin panel. So it's a very simple thing, and currently our profit is added. So now our next profit will come after 24 hours or this time. So you can set the time as well from admin panel, and here let's see this, and here you can see your total profit $10. So we just invested and we collect our profit. So this is how you can invest your money in the plans, and here you can see your transaction section, and here you can update your wallet. So to take the withdraw you have to click on update, and you must have to update your wallet, and here you have to enter your gateway address, click on update password, and after setting up the wallet a user can take the withdrawal. So here now you can see we are on cash out section, and now we can take our withdrawal from here. So this was all about the site. Here you can change your password, account password, etc., and here you can also see your dashboard teams. Here you can see the notifications from the admin, and here you can change your profile sections from here. So this was all about the user panel of this website. You can see how amazing this mining website is, and it is on React based website, which means its look is quite amazing and like new look in the market. Now viewers, in order to go to the admin panel of this website, so here we will go to admin panel, and I'll show you how we can completely manage this website from the admin panel. So now you can see that we are on the admin panel login page of this website. Now here we have to enter our admin credentials. So here I'll enter my admin credentials in order to log in. So click on login, and you can see that we have successfully logged into our website. So this is how we can log into the admin panel. So here on admin panel you can see total users, plan active users, total deposits on the website, pending deposit, rejected deposit, withdrawals, total profits, withdrawal charges. Here you can see the notifications like deposits, etc. All notifications will come here. Viewers, here in notice board section, so you can update the notice board from here, and you can show any notice you want to show to user, so you can update it from here. Here are the app download settings, like you can change the app icons, app image, name, etc. You can upload the file of your app from here, and you can update the app settings. Here is a referral commission setting. As I told you, you can give user two types of commission. Number one, referral commission on plan purchase, and number two on mining bonus. So here, this is how you can give bonus to user. Here are the subscription plans. So from here you can create the plan from here. So currently there are 3 plans, but if you want to add new plan, so here click on add new, and here you can add a new plan. Enter the name, plan image, plan price, daily profit, validity. Here you can give the referral commission up to multiple levels you want, and you can easily create a plan. If you want to edit the existing plans, so you can edit the existing plans as well. So viewers, this is how you can create the plans on the website. It is a very simple and easy to manage website, and if you want to buy this website from us, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links of WhatsApp and Telegram are in description of this video. You can contact us through them, and we will provide you what you want. We have many other type of HYIP investment mining websites are also available, so you can contact us and we will build what you want. So here are the user section. So you can see all plan active, band, and with balance, or all users. So here it will show you all the users over here. So you can see all the users in this section. So these are all the users. Now suppose if you want to go to details of user, you can add balance to user account, you can subtract balance from user account, you can show them notices, send them notices, you can ban the user, etc. from here. Here are the payment gateway section. So as I told you, you can create multiple payment gateways for deposit as well. So here you can see the existing gateways, you can disable them, you can edit them. And if you want to add new gateway, enter the name of gateway, currency of gateway, USDT charge, I mean how USDT equal to your own currency. So here minimum, maximum, and here you have to enter your deposit information, and you can easily insert a payment method or deposit method on your website. So it's a very simple thing to create a deposit method. So here you can see all pending deposits from user. So when user will request a deposit, the request will come here and you can see it. Here you can go to details of that deposit. So here you can see all the details of that transaction ID, etc. And from here you can approve that deposit and you can reject it as well. So it will be under your hand. You can approve it or reject it after verifying your wallet. Here you can see all approved, successful, rejected, all deposits, etc. in this section. Here is a withdrawal section. So similarly, same like deposits, you can go to withdrawal methods and you can create withdrawal method. Here you can see is this existing withdrawal methods. If you want to create the new one, just click on add new, and by filling these simple details you can create a new withdrawal method to your website. So it's a completely simple, and you don't need any coding knowledge to control this website. It's simple and we will make it for you, and you just have to control this website and you don't need to worry about anything. Here you can view the complete transaction and referral commission report. Here's the general settings. From here you can change the name of website, you can insert your own name, currency of website, and you can change the currency at any time, and you can run it in PKR, INR, NGN, CAD, AUD, USD, whatever currency you want, you can run it and in that currency. Here is a logo and favicon. So as I told you, logo is changeable. So from here you can change the logo of this website. And viewers, this was all about this website demo and overview. So if you want to purchase this website from us, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram, and both links of these platforms are in description. You can contact us. And viewers, if you need any type of website, e-commerce website, HYIP investment website, PTC website, task website, so we can make that for you. So you don't need to worry about anything. So thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and I will meet you in the next video.